Very awkward to do with one hand. Okay. Oh, these are nice. These are nice. Classic Puff Moc, size 12. Let's see if they fit. Alright, I got these, what are they, the Classic Puff Moc in Moth. I got size 12, and they fit perfectly. There's a little bit of a toe cap under here. I can feel it kind of crunchy at the end there. There's probably some extra reinforcement on the toe. And I've got about a 1/2 inch of space. So those are pretty good. I'd say they're true to size. We're an 11.5, usually a 12 in Crocs, 11 depending on the model. So I just went with a 12 with these, and they fit pretty good. I would not go down to 11, nor would I go up to a 13. I think a 13 would be too big. So, true to size on these, for sure. I'll do more of a review on these in the next day or two, and that will follow this clip. moccasins. They're called Mocs. Puff Moc.
They also know.
Yeah, I did the unboxing video. That's one that you photographed me on.
Oh, what was?
Slime video. And the slime video. You did. It's on there. It's public. You used your brother's phone. So the video quality is like really low compared to the quality on the first one. Yeah, that one isn't published. We should do that unboxing video when we get back while it's still like nice and light out.
I totally have to do that.
Yeah.
You know how many views are gonna get on that game.
Right.
It's like one of those videos.
Real attack?
Yeah. Well, it has open filter, which means they can copy the both. So that's why there's at least 10,000 It's somewhat better than others. Monkey swimmer.
That's what I would do if I were you. Oh, I got that coming. I would ask for that for your birthday. That way you can start playing again with two controllers. Like, have you even been playing lately since it's been broken?
No, because I can't play Infection or anything.
Yeah, I would ask that. Played it for like a month, whereas this season we only played it for like a day, and we're over it.
This season's like I like it, okay? Listen, if they didn't put the stupid
The mistake, it would be okay. It would be good.
yeah, cause like it's the medallions balance, the Mickelson balance, it just
Yeah, all the skins are good. I like that it's another Marvel season is good. The new POIs are kind of cool. It's just So final thoughts on these. They're pretty nice. I'm glad I got them. I think they run for $60 retail. I picked them up for $45. I found a 25% off coupon online that I was able to use. So, I mean, in terms of the value, I don't know, 60 seems a little high for them, but definitely if you can get them discounted, you know, I mean, that goes with everything, but I don't know, they just don't feel like they're worth $60, but they are a nice slipper moccasin. They're not too warm. It was about 50 degrees out today when I was out walking in them, and my feet stayed nice and warm in them, and just wearing them tonight too inside the house, they don't feel like they're too warm. So even though they look extremely warm, they breathe pretty well and they don't retain heat like some of the other Crocs do. I have the mellow slides, which are really, really nice, but those retain a lot of heat and they don't allow the foot to breathe as much. Where you don't have that issue with these. Being the nylon upper area, they breathe pretty well. Lets the moisture get out and stuff too. So for their function, I think they're pretty good. It's kind of a nice casual slipper / moccasin for the cooler temps. And it's pretty stylish too. I like the look on it. The footbed could be a little softer. It's kind of a standard Croc footbed. It's a little firmer. So it would be nice if they had like a mellow footbed to it. It was a little more cushy. So I guess that's kind of my only gripe about it, is I wish they were a little softer, but they're still comfortable. And I walked pretty far in them today. I walked at least a mile and my feet were fine. They're not sore or anything. So yeah, they're pretty good. I mentioned in the beginning too, the sizing is true to size. These are 12s that were 11.5 and they fit okay. They don't feel small and they don't feel big. This back heel strap helps keep the shoe on foot when you're walking, and it is pretty flexible, so you could stand on it if you want, if you just needed to quick slip it on to run out, get the mail or something like that, you know. One of the unique things about this is there is like a toe reinforcement. I don't know if I can capture it, but it's there forward. There's extra material under the nylon as like a toe reinforcement, which you can feel when you're wearing them. It's kind of a wrinkled material where it can push out a little bit, but it's kind of like retracted just from the tension of it. I don't know if it's just a strap in there. So you can feel it over your toe, but it's probably functionally necessary. Otherwise, I can see your toe ended up just wearing through the liner, this Sherpa liner, and then the nylon. There's a little bit of a padding in between that also. So I get why they put that reinforcement in there, but I'm not sure if that's an advantage as far as comfort goes. I mean, it's not too bad, but it's just something that I've noticed. So that's the review of the Croc Puff Moc in the Moth colorway. Not bad.